Yo, hey guys, in today's video I will share with you how you can create a Facebook page from your Facebook profile. Now before we get started, I need you to know the difference between your Facebook profile and your Facebook page. Your Facebook profile is where you can post your personal things, but if your intention is to make money on Facebook, you need to create a Facebook page where you can post your content, your product, whatever it is that you are doing that you want to start posting on social media. Where you need to post them is your Facebook page. So once you get to some stages and you are being monetized, you cannot start earning on Facebook. And the do's and don'ts. The do's and don'ts. You know that your Facebook page, you are going to create it from your Facebook profile. So that your Facebook profile is like the mother to your page. Let me use that word. It's like the mother to your page. So whatever it is that happened to that your Facebook profile, it will affect your page automatically because your page cannot stand without a Facebook profile. So you need to avoid those things I'm about to tell you. So once you open your page and everything is being done and you start posting your content, I will advise you do not use that your Facebook profile to share your video that much. Well, you can use it to share the video to one or two friends, but do not use it to share it that much because with that it can be restricted. Instead, have other Facebook profile. Whenever you drop a video on your page, you can easily use those other Facebook profile to share your videos to more people to see. But using that your profile, it is not advisable. Do not do it. And secondly, do not use that your Facebook profile to join too much group. You can just join one or two group which you can share your profile to. And like I said earlier, you can also open other Facebook profile to join as many group that you want to join, then which you can share your content to for visibility. But anything that will harm that your profile, you need to avoid it. Once that your profile is gone, your page is gone automatically too. So that is it for the do and don'ts. Okay, now right now, and also you need to mind the kind of content you are creating. Like those people that do post other people content, you need to be careful because there are some people, some kind of content that has copyright. Like right now, time will not really permit me to talk about that copyright, but if you're interested in that topic, just type on the comment section I am interested and I will find a special day to make that video. So, now let's dive into the game, and before that I need you to please, if you are watching this video on YouTube, I need you to subscribe to this channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I need you to follow this page, and I believe you will not regret it. Now let's dive into the game. Now let's head over to the Facebook app. As you can see, once you open your Facebook profile, this is how it normally look like. Then you come to this place here. Once you click that place, they will show you something like this. The thing will display like this as the surface. So all you need to do next, you come to this page where you see page. So once you click on that page, then we show you something like this. The reason why you are seeing those two things here, those are my previous page. I have two pages with this and Facebook profile already, and that is to say you can open more than one Facebook page in one profile. So the next thing for you to do here is to click that create over there. So once you click on that create, this is the next thing you will see. As you can see there, they say create your page, and then now explain what a page is on that. Like I said earlier in this video, say a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, and organization. So after if you want to read it though, but you need to read that long, then just press this get started. So once you click on that get started, this is what you will see next, and on top of that page they say what is the name of your page, and then they further say use the name of your business, brand, or organization, or name that helps explain your page. So now you can now put your name under here. You can just type and put your name. As you can see right now, this is my name. I'm writing KY Brown. KY Brown Media. Sorry, KY Brown Community. So I'm just using this one as an example. So after that, once you click next, they will take you to this place. Now, this is what they are saying here. What category best describe KY Brown Community? That is, what best category describe your page. So they now give you further explanation here. They said a category will help people find this page in search results. You can add up to 3. As you can see there, you can add up to 3. Even like they actually give you some samples here. Even if what your page stands for is not here, you can actually type it yourself just by typing using your phone keyboard there. That the space over there. As you can see right now, I wanted to type content creator, but no, let me type let me type comedian. As you can see, that is it over there. So the next thing you need to do is to click on that create. So you allow it to load. I think the reason why this thing is taking time, that is because I think I don't have much data anymore. So your own might not take this too long, but just allow it to load. So once it's done creating, this is what you will see next. Now, if you check on top of that page, they ask you, they said you have created your page. Now they now ask you question, what best describe your goals? So furthermore, they say we will use this to help you finish setting up KY Brown Community. It will change your access to all of your page features. So now, as you can see, these 2 boxes over there. Number 1, there you see they say promote your product or service. So under it, they say best for companies, charity, and other organizations. So the second one, they say create content and connect with fans. The most exciting thing here is that they will give you options and then still explain it in a way where anybody can understand it. So as you can see there, that first one is stand for companies, charity, and other organization. Why the other one stand for like content creators and then every other things there. But for me, I'm going to choose that which says create content and connect with fans. But you can decide to choose any one of your choice because you are the only one that know what you want to use your page for. So that is that for that. So once you click on anyone that you wish to, then you press continue. They will take you to this space. Here now they are asking you to put your profile, your cover photo. You can decide to nest it or put it. I'm going to put it because this is a tutorial video. Just the way you upload your photos on your normal profile, it's still the same thing here. So right now, I want to upload my profile first. So let me just choose any picture of my choice here. As you can see, I just click on one picture and it's loading. That is it over there. So I can decide to still pull my cover photo. So I still click on picture and it's loading. That is it for that. So you click next. So once you click next, you allow it to load a little bit. Then this is what you will see next. Here they are telling you to invite your friends. Those are the people you have, like those are your friends on Facebook, your normal friends. You can decide to invite them or still next. I will advise you invite them so that they might likely want to like your page. So from here you can decide to invite all your friends, and anyone that is interested might be likely to follow you. So once you click next, this is what they will show you next. But if you are just opening your page, you will not see something like this. The reason why they are showing me all of this, that is because I have other pages with this the same profile. So they are telling me to follow the people that I use other of my page to follow. This one is not really necessary. You can just decide to click next. So once you click next, they will give you something like this. You can just leave it like this then and click next, but you can decide to off it as well. If you read it, you will see what they are saying there. There's no much time for me to be reading it out again. I don't want this video to be too long. So from here you can decide to press next. Once you click next, now your page has been created. As you can see, switching to KY Brand Community. The reason why this thing is behaving like this, I don't think I have much data. Everything is being done right now. Okay, everything is being done. I say welcome to your new page, and this is the page. So that is all you need to know. But if there's any question, you can just drop it on the comment section. We'll talk about it. If you watch this video to this far, I hope you will share this video for me, for more audience to see, because you sharing this video for me will really go a long way for me. And also like this video, give me some word of encouragement on the comment section, motivate me for me to do more videos like this, you understand? So whatever it is that you do to this video right now will really help me. I'm not hiding it, so I need you to help me to share this content. Okay, that will really motivate me, give me inspiration to do more, encourage me to do more videos like this. And like every week in this page right now, you will be seeing videos like this. Maybe I will be dropping two content every week, two content every week. Like for now, I will also I will be dropping my comedy videos as well. But for tutorial videos like this, I will be dropping two every week. See you in my next video.